Hey friend, thank you for watching my channel. Don't let this scare you. It's in the morning and I'm getting ready to drop my daughter off. I only was able to do the base on my makeup, but I need to do my eyes, add the eyelashes and all the things before I get dressed. But welcome to the channel. If you're a subscriber, welcome back. If you are new, hey girl, hey, go ahead and subscribe already. Like this video and tell me where you're watching from down in the comment area. I am currently on a journey of creating 100 videos to YouTube in 100 days. And I gotta press record, and that's what I'm doing. So I figured this video will be a little bit different since I am on drop off duty today. This will be a morning routine, or it'll be a morning in my life. I don't do get ready with me's and all that, but we'll see what we can get done this morning because it's afternoon meetings start. So come along with me, and when I come back, this'll look a little better. No matter how old my kids are, when I drop them off, I watch them go all the way in to close the door. All right, all of the morning cleaning and tidying is up. I added just a little bit of color to my face, combed my hair, and here is my outfit. I have a meeting that I need to get ready to head out to, but I figured I would just bring you along with me this morning. I still have not eaten, so I'll cook something up after the meeting. Here's my outfit for today. I don't know if I showed you this little Kendra Scott necklace that I got at a volleyball tournament, y'all. Everyday jewelry. I have this blue and white stripe top. I love the sleeves, and it has this applique on the front. Wide leg, dark wash denim jeans, brown boots, and I just have my brown Ralph Lauren sweater wrapped around my arm just to break up the blues. And my handbag, because I'm rushing, I'm going to take this because all I need is my wallet, some gum, my car keys, and phone. So this is the look. Quick look for the day. All right, friend, thank you so much for coming along with me for the morning in my life. I appreciate you. You know, I'm on a journey of creating 100 videos in 100 days, and I got to get creative with you. This one is something new for me. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and like this video. Subscribe if you haven't already, and tell me where you're watching from down in the comment area. Until the next video, have a great day. Bye.